Alright, so after you search for your device by typing the model in the search box, you will see a list of all similar models and select the one you want. And now you can load your film into the cutter, QR code face up. And as that QR code passes beneath the camera's going to scan it. And it'll tell the machine exactly what type of film you've just loaded. There it is. Next, you select your pattern and you press and hold the cut button for about 1 second. Just a warning here, do not use on phones with cracked screens, replaced screens, or bulging batteries. Go ahead and pull back your red support tab and place your phone in the cradle, cameras to the right, and press the lock button. Phone will be centered. And once you've got the phone centered, go ahead and push that red tab just underneath the device to support it. Go ahead and clean your device, get any dust and fingerprints off the surface. And once you're all done, close the lid to make sure no dust gets on there. Alright, so now we'll prepare the film. And the first thing you're going to do is peel this long strip toward the back. And it'll split away from the rest of the layers and take the 5th white layer with it. Alright, so what you have left is 4 layers, and we will use our tweezers for this next step. But first, what you're going to do is start at the edge, at the corner, and just pull away layers 1, 2, and 3. So that's the white layer, sticky layer, and the next clear layer. Now I'm going to leave my thumb on the corner of the cut, you see, so to keep the phone design in place while I remove only the border of all those extra layers. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And now that I've got layers 1, 2, and 3 off, I can use my tweezers to simply remove layer 1 off the phone pattern. And it is a very thin layer, so do be careful that you're not peeling away the second layer as well, which is the screen protector. Right, as soon as you get that layer off, you turn it upside down so you don't get dust on it, and now you can drop the screen protector onto those pegs using the peg holes, and you can close the installation chamber and press start. Once the installation is complete, open the chamber, you can remove these 2 tabs, and we're going to just peel away that clear layer. And what's left is just one more protective layer over the screen protector. So that's where you're seeing right here, those little air gaps are in between that layer. So get your tweezers and just start at the edge and carefully separate that protective layer and pull it away. And that's it. Now I'll just get my squeegee and just clean up the edges, seal it properly, make sure there are no air gaps around the edge, and you're all done.